today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your search tool on Pinterest effectively. How you can use your search tool on Pinterest effectively. Alright, so if you don't have Pinterest on your phone, go to Play Store, click on the search tool and type Pinterest and download it. Today is the app right there. We have the normal app, we have the Lite app, just like we have the Facebook Lite and the normal Facebook app. Today is the app, the original app right there. Just click on the app. It's going to pop up a few things like what you're interested in, your Gmail, so you're going to sign in, and some other things it require you to do. So I've done that. I'm not new on this app, and this app use app you don't have to be home. Alright, so it's showing that I'm offline because my data is on now. So this is home. For this one that is black, this is what we call home on Pinterest, and this is the search tool. The search tool on Pinterest. This one is a plus, and this is the message icon, and this is me. I'm John Tofumi. Yes, you can do it to follow me too on Pinterest. Thank you very much. So shall we begin? So you click on the search, and let's search. So have you heard of premium before? Have you heard of premium before? This is premium. Why are you searching for just blue background? Or why are we searching for just blue background and not add premium to it? Premium blue background, premium green background, premium yellow background. I believe you can see all this, right? Even before adding background to it, I can see various. I believe you can see many. These things are valuable already. I've already clicked on this. You can see this, right? Just by searching for premium. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Premium background, premium blue background, premium purple background, premium red background. Look at a lot of stock that it's giving us now. Just by typing premium. Look at that. Just by clicking on these things, you can further more. Just by clicking on these things. That's the first one I have for you. That's the first one. If you click on this, it's going to bring more of this. Now let me show you something quickly before I forget. Look at this side tracking right here. If you are using Pinterest Lite, you might need to tap on it. But then I'm using the app, so it's going to scan through the image, then bring out likely something like that. Okay, let's go again. We're done with premium. Okay, have you heard of PNG before? PNGs. Are we learning something? PNGs. If you're a graphic designer and you're wondering where are these people getting those things from Pinterest. From where? Pinterest. Pinterest has a lot of things we designers are sending into it. There's someone like me, someone like you that uploaded this thing on Pinterest. It's free, no money involved, unless you want to advertise your product. So they advertise product here too. So that's PNG. You can go in and search for more. Click on that one. It's going to bring more of it. So that's just it. Okay. So now have you heard of typing us? Sorry. Clip art. You can see this. Right. Yes. This on Pinterest. Yes. What you are saying is on Pinterest. No, yes. It's on Pinterest. You just explore. The other one that I know of is just stock images. stock images. Alright, so stock images. So have you seen stock images? So you see a lot right here. You see a lot of stock images right here. So just continue to click on them. If you want something like this, click on it and bring it's going to pop out something that look more like this. So alright, so just something like this. So that's just it. And let's go for search again. And on the last part, if perhaps you see something online and you're looking for a way to search on it, search for it rather. Let's say for example you're a graphic designer and you're looking for a happy man or a happy woman that put his hand or his or her hand on his mouth. You type it like that over there. You're looking for a surprised, adorable baby picture standing on top of the roof. Right there, if you're looking for a background. I remember looking for a background I saw online, and the shadow of a window was casted onto the background. I typed it there and I found the background. That's it. Just make sure you explain whatever you see. I'm sure you're going to get it. Okay, let's type something. A background having frame, shadow, hid, plane, golf, what else again? Sitting room. So I'm just typing something, not really something like that. Adorable picture. Or you know, just type everything there. It's going to take you to what you really need. Can you see that? It's going to bring out so many things. I think it actually picked the golf aspect. That's what it picked. And if you're a graphic designer, you're looking for inspiration, it's as simple as typing birthday flyer design. Birthday flyer design. You're gonna see a lot. Birthday flyer design. Yes, you're gonna see a lot. So that's it. You're gonna see a lot. Are you looking for again? Anniversary flyer design. You're gonna see a lot. Cake, a lot of inspiration. Cake flyer design. So also you're going to see a lot. You're gonna see a lot of cake flyer design. I make one recently actually. I'm hoping to find my own to here, but then I'm not sure it's going to be here. I just posted it recently. These are beautiful designs actually. These are very beautiful designs. Very beautiful designs. They are graphic designers in this world. They are graphic designers. And I mean graphic designers. Let me quickly show you mine. Let me show you mine. Oh wow, 4 followers. That's great. So this is my own design right here. Every bite is a delight. So if you stayed with me to this very end, my name is John Tofun. Post valuable content here. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I will see you in my next video. It's valuable content. So yes, I said graphic designer. I'm studying us with tutorial. I design. So catch you up later. Stay blessed, stay holy, stay pure, stay valuable.